Hello guys, today I've got the VIVO X300 FE and I'm going to show you how to fix the camera not working, the black screen for example, or just some troubles. So at first, like in the very beginning, I actually recommend to restart your phone. A quick reboot actually often fixes temporary camera bugs, so hold the power and the volume up. Just click like this and just drag of this button, restart. Now your phone will be restarted and the software will be fixed. So now you need to wait a moment until you see your phone turned on. It's very simple, very intuitive, but sometimes you don't really think about this basic fix. You only focus on some software issues. At first, try to restart your phone. No matter what, just try to do it. Number 2, open the settings, open apps. Here it should be in the system apps. No, it's not. So open the app manager and open camera right here. Open storage and here select clear cache. As you can see, I don't have any cache because I don't use my camera application, but here hit clear cache, this button. If you want, you can try to click here clear data and delete. Remember that this will delete all your data that you want to store. What else can I actually show you? Open this button over here and close all the background applications using this X button or anything else. Too many applications can cause camera crashes, so just disable it. It's not the matter of the bad processor, it's just a matter of many applications running at once. Open settings now and scroll all the way. Tap system update and check for the updates. If you have any updates, update your phone, because you may have some camera fixes in the latest update. I know that it's not that actually popular, but it happens that developers actually publish the fixes and some hotfix versions. As you can see here, we've got some version that's probably after many hotfixes. Remove the third-party camera applications. Remove applications like Snapchat, TikTok, GCam, maybe mods or something like that. These all can conflict with the camera, so try disabling them or installing them temporarily, and then try to open the camera and check if everything works fine. As you can see, mine does work fine. Avoid overheating in your device. Like, I've made a video about overheating, so you can actually check that out, but the camera may shut down if the phone is too hot. Let the device cool down for a few minutes, take off the case and check back again. And as a last resort, when it comes to software, you need to factory reset your phone. But before that, backup. Open the settings and here go open the system management. Open backup and restore and backup your phone either to Google server over here or backup and restore to Vivo Cloud. It depends actually on your preferences, but you can actually back up your data to both. And then reset, erase all data, and here erase. If it didn't help you, this factory reset didn't help you, this may be a hardware issue. You will still get black screen, camera failed, a blurry image, or camera not opening. You need to just contact your support because you can't do anything when it comes to the hardware. So that's it. Have a nice day and goodbye.